Mastering Chart Analysis, a comprehensive guide for successful trading. We unravel the world of chart analysis, providing you with a step-by-step guide to master this essential skill for successful trading. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking to enhance your technical analysis abilities, this video is a must-watch. Break down the intricacies of chart analysis, simplifying complex concepts and providing practical insights. We'll cover the following key points. Understanding chart types. We'll introduce various chart types. Line charts. Line charts, a fundamental tool in technical analysis, provide a concise visual representation of price movements over a specific period. Here are the key points about line charts. Basic structure, simplicity and clarity, trend identification, support and resistance levels, long-term analysis, limitations. Bar charts, graphical representation of price data using vertical bars to display opening, closing, high, and low prices for a given time period. Candlestick charts, visual representation of price data using candlestick-shaped symbols to show opening, closing, high, and low prices for a given time period. Key chart patterns. The key chart has its own advantages and is suited to different trading styles and preferences. Traders often use a combination of these charts and other technical analysis tools to gain a comprehensive understanding of price movements and make informed trading decisions. Support and resistance levels. Price levels where buying, support, or selling, resistance, pressure tends to be significant, influencing future price movements. Trend lines. Lines drawn on a chart to connect consecutive highs or lows, indicating the direction of a trend. Chart patterns, characterized by converging trend lines, indicating a period of consolidation and potential breakout in price. Head and shoulders, a reversal pattern in technical analysis characterized by three peaks, with the middle peak, the head, being higher than the other two, the shoulders, indicating a potential trend reversal from bullish to bearish. Double tops/bottoms, reversal patterns in technical analysis characterized by two consecutive peaks, tops, or valleys, bottoms, of similar height, indicating a potential trend reversal. You'll learn how to identify these patterns and leverage them to make informed trading decisions. Technical indicators, mathematical calculations applied to price and volume data to provide insights into market trends, momentum, and potential trading opportunities. Moving averages, statistical calculations that smooth out price fluctuations to identify trends and potential support/resistance levels. MACD, moving average convergence divergence, a technical indicator that measures the relationship between two moving averages to identify potential trend reversals and generate trading signals. RSI, Relative Strength Index, a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements to assess overbought and oversold conditions in a market. Bollinger Bands, a volatility indicator consisting of a central moving average line and two outer bands that expand and contract based on price volatility, helping to identify potential price breakouts or reversals. We'll explain how to use these indicators to identify trends, assess momentum, and spot potential entry and exit points. Risk management. We'll emphasize the importance of risk management in chart analysis. How to set appropriate stop-loss orders, the art of setting optimal stop-loss orders to safeguard your trades and manage risk effectively. Manage position sizes. Understand How to effectively manage position sizes to control risk and maximize potential returns in your trading. Calculate risk-reward ratios to protect your capital and optimize your trading strategy. The art of calculating risk-reward ratios to safeguard your capital and enhance your trading strategy's performance. Real-life examples and case studies. We'll walk you through practical examples and real-life case studies to demonstrate how chart analysis is applied in different market scenarios. You'll gain valuable insights into how professional traders use chart analysis to make profitable trades. Chart analysis tools and platforms. We'll introduce popular chart analysis tools and platforms available to traders. From free charting software to advanced trading platforms, you'll discover resources that can assist you in conducting in-depth chart analysis effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in chart analysis, enabling you to make more informed trading decisions, spot lucrative opportunities, and improve your overall trading performance. Subscribe and join us on this enlightening journey to master chart analysis and elevate your trading skills. Whether you're a stock trader, forex trader, or cryptocurrency enthusiast, this video will equip you with the knowledge and techniques to navigate the markets with confidence and precision. Thanks for watching.